Hey everyone, it's Walking from Motorola, and today we'll be getting hands-on with our Moto G86 5G, which has been engineered to amaze. Let's unbox and take a closer look at the new Moto G86 5G, featuring a stunning Super HD display, Dimensity 7300 power, and flagship grade durability. In the box you get the Moto G86 5G, USB-C cable, SIM ejection tool, and the usual documentations. Straight away, the eco leather finish and curved edges give it a premium look and feel. Despite its IP68 and IP69 and military standard 810H toughness, it's impressively slim and lightweight. The 6.67-inch POLED display offers razor-sharp resolution, HDR10+, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Inside, the Dimensity 7300 chipset comes with up to 8GB of RAM, delivering fast, efficient performance. Its 50-megapixel Sony Litia 600 main sensor with OIS produces sharp, vibrant images even in low light, and you get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The G86 packs a 5200 mAh battery, supporting turbo-powered charging, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint sensor, NFC makes this phone feature-rich. It runs Android 15 with Moto Gestures and Smart Connect. With its OLED display, premium design, rugged build, and powerful performance, the Moto G86 5G is one of the most feature-packed mid-range devices for only £280. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think about this beautiful new Moto G86 5G.
Hello, Moto.